All right, Berhan, what are we doing today?
We're setting up Amazon Bedrock in
Cool.
order to use Anthropic's model in GitFit.
That's awesome. I've never done it before. Yeah,
Neither
just
have I.
um,
We'll figure it out.
tell me yeah, tell me where should I start?
Okay, so we have to first create a user. So
Oh yeah, and
we'll
before we start, you said we're setting up Bedrock. What is that going to allow us to do?
So Bedrock would be the gateway to use any LLM into our application. So we're currently using Anthropic directly, but what we want to achieve is using Anthropic through AWS. So Bedrock's gonna help us achieve that.
And do you know what other LMs we can run on Bedrock?
We do have. I think we also have OpenAI,
Okay.
but I'm not sure. But we do
Oh,
have a Llama as well. So we'll
okay.
see. We'll
Okay.
be able to see more options as we progress.
Okay. Cool.
So we have to search for IAM
Okay.
to create a user.
I see that here.
hmm Should be a dashboard. You have to click users
Okay.
and
Users.
then create user. Just name it whatever, Bedrock API user.
Okay. User. Okay. Um,
Hit
actually, I'm not sure if
next.
I can put spaces in here. Let's see.
Yeah, just use hyphen then.
Right.
Yep.
Okay. I'm just gonna call it. Um, maybe I'll call it Git with code
Gen.
gen Git with AI code. It's too early for me to think of good names. What are we using this for? Bedrock user.
Perfect.
Yeah, what do we have before? Yeah, Bedrock API user. Yeah, get with Bedrock user. Okay.
hmm we're supposed to hit next, and now we have to select attach policies directly.
Okay.
And yeah, bro, trust me, I had to go through like multiple documentations to come up without using AWS. So now uh, we have to search for Bedrock
Okay.
through these
That should be
policies.
doable.
And like Amazon Bedrock Full Access, the first one you see. Just
Okay.
check that. And then we're gonna hit next. Now we have to create the user
Mm-hmm.
after reviewing it.
Okay. Reviewed.
Yeah, Bismillah. And now the user is created.
Great.
First step done. Now what we have to do is click on the newly created user.
Mm-hmm. Here.
Yep. And now we have to go. Okay, I'm not sure if you want to show that to the screen because we're gonna open security credentials.
Okay. I can just hide it. That's fine.
Yep. Okay. So we're gonna go to the security credentials tab.
Okay. I'm there.
Scroll to access keys.
Okay. Create access key.
Yep. Create an access key.
Okay. What kind of key are we going to create?
We actually need an access key ID and a secret access key, like
Oh,
two of
yeah.
them.
Okay.
So you'll be seeing a download CSV file option, or maybe you could just copy both of them.
Here, I can show this here. Show you what I see. This is what I see.
Um, I don't see what you see. Okay, wait. You have to select CLI command line interface. and then create the access key.
Okay. Description tag value. This is just
This is
just
optional though.
oh, it's optional. Oh, okay.
Close your eyes. No.
Um, okay. I got it. I got it.
That's a Rickroll, guys. That doesn't work.
I think it's fine. I can also do it again.
Okay, perfect. Do it again.
Okay. So go to security credentials, access keys. I need to have one. Okay. To the access key. Command line. Net. Command line. Okay. Okay, I got it.
So, yeah. So now you have two keys, right?
Access key and secret access key.
Yep, exactly. Uh, we're done with that. Save that somewhere.
Okay, I will save it somewhere.
Yeah, because you'll only be able to see the secret access key once. So
All right.
yeah. Also, can you like send it to me? Uh, we'll be testing it. So
Yes, sir. There you go.
perfect. Which one's what? I don't know. The first one is
The first one, which is shorter,
yeah. It's the access key.
is the access key.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um. Sweet. So now we have to go to the console, like,
Okay.
and search for Bedrock. Like,
Oh,
go to the
here.
home page.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
okay.
go to
So
the
there's
home.
this bar at the top which has a thing.
Yeah,
Okay,
just
Amazon Bedrock.
this should work. And now on the left, you should be seeing model access. Do you see it?
I see model catalog.
Uh,
You're looking
oh,
for access. Ah, okay. Yeah. So it was down. It was all the way down here.
yeah, perfect. So in that, we have to look for Anthropic in the
Okay.
model provider list because, oh wow, we have tons of models, you see?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So we got, okay, we got Amazon's model. We got
Okay. It says
some
available to request. Okay.
interesting.
Let's see if we have
Okay,
open.
request usually takes a few minutes, so don't worry.
Oh, really? Okay. We have Anthropic, Cohere, Llama.
Okay.
Oh, Llama. I could use this. Mistral, stability. Okay. We do not have any OpenAI.
Yeah, it's no OpenAI. My bad. So okay, we're gonna search for Anthropic.
It's right here.
Yeah, and we're using Claude 3.5 Sonnet.
Okay.
So I think V2 should be better, no? Because it's the newer one.
It's
Uh,
interesting that there's a 3.5 V1 and a 3.5 V2.
yeah. Uh, what we actually have in the dock is, wait, let me see. We're currently using something called, give me a sec, Claude 3.5 Sonnet 2024 320 V1. Okay, we're using version 1 originally.
I think either one could work. I'm guessing this V2 might have been added by AWS. It just seems
No, no,
it
no.
just seems
I've heard of it. I've heard of it
Oh,
before.
really?
Yeah.
Here,
Mm,
upgraded 3.5 Sonnet V2 can now
could not.
generate. Oh, it's computer use model.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it sounds like they. It sounds to me like one department in Anthropic made this, then passed it off to another department, which made the computer use model.
Yeah,
So they couldn't actually up the version number, so they added that to it because it was
yeah. It's just a functionality, additional functionality.
so for us, it shouldn't make any difference.
Yep. So what we have to do is like find that model and then click the checkbox. Do we have a checkbox?
Here,
Just yeah, there should be. But wait, can you click somewhere like maybe available to request?
yeah, I think I have to click this. Let's do it.
No, no. You selected V2. You selected V2.
Oh, okay, you don't want that one?
Uh, we were supposed to select V1, right?
Okay, let's do that. I think they'll be the same. Let's just do V2. I mean,
Right.
um, if there's any price difference, that would be interesting. But I think it should be basically the same. We can maybe request both.
Mm-hmm. And now we have to
Here,
check
yeah,
it.
let's request both.
Okay. And then maybe scroll down to request the model access or somewhere.
Here.
Yeah, next.
Okay.
You'll have to fill that in.
Software as a service. This is pretty funny, man.
Wait, what is?
This.
Mm,
It says avoid mentioning the term Claude as that will be identified as personally identifiable information.
okay.
Because it's a name. That's the idea.
Yeah, understood.
Um, they don't give you a lot of characters actually here.
Mm-hmm.
So um, we provide um,
An
a
online coding experience.
coding editor
Yep.
um, which has built-in AI code generation. We will be using Claude. It was Sonnet.
Yep. They said avoid mentioning Claude.
Reject denied.
We'll be
Yeah.
using 3.5 Sonnet. just say cloud.
Um, Cloud.
Sonnet 3.5 V2
Do you know this movie Elemental? Ever seen it? Pixar
elemental.
movie Elemental?
Hey,
There's a kid. There's a kid in the movie. His name is Claude, but it's like
oh
spelled CLOD because he's a plant.
wait, it's a recent movie, right? Yeah, I've seen the trailer. I haven't watched the movie yet. Is it good?
Because he's made out of it's just funny because his his name is Claude because he's made out of dirt.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah, no, it's fantastic. It's really good movie. We're using Sonnet 3.5 to power the backend code generation and AI chat assistant. Okay,
Yep.
external users.
Yep.
Okay,
Yes, sir. This should take a few minutes. It may take several minutes.
okay.
We can wait.
Hey,
So
have
will
you
you be
started? What?
sorry? Will you
No,
be getting an email
Okay.
Hopefully.
Check my email. Hey, have you started any computational complexity courses?
No, not yet.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, I think it'll be really interesting for what you were mentioning about encryption.
Yeah, cause it just sparked like I was curious, cause RSAs could be decrypted uh more efficiently. So it was a thought process, but they could always update the encryption algorithm. So
Yeah,
that's the thing. Maybe it unlocks more opportunities for cybersecurity. That's what I was thinking
great
initially.
jobs. Oh, what's that? Did we get some access?
Wait, did you get something?
Well, this button just turned orange. Join
Wait,
your
wasn't it
company.
orange? No,
Oh,
it's because of the cursor.
no.
Wait, that's weird.
Did you see it just turned gray again?
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay,
I
we
do
have
have
the
it.
access. Good job. That
Yeah,
was
it
quick.
just it did turn orange. Okay, so model access. That's pretty cool
And
now. Now I have access to this.
mm-hmm.
What's next?
And then we just have to test it now if that works.
Oh,
Wait,
hey, Anirudh is watching.
wait, what's the did we select what region we were going to use? I don't remember.
If you don't select the region, well, you always have a region selected.
Okay, it has to be US East 1, right? Default.
Well, um, it's it's whatever you choose it to be. But
Yeah, but what did we choose?
oh, it
Okay,
is.
we
Yeah, North
it is.
Virginia is
Yep,
U.S. East one. Okay.
cool.
Hey, Ani, we're just getting set up with AWS Bedrock for the first time. Should give us almost unlimited access to Anthropic Claude. So that's going to be awesome.
Wait, James, can we see the model ID somewhere? Like,
The you want to see the model ID?
mm-hmm.
That's a great question. Yeah.
Maybe.
Let's check out. Let's have a look at Bedrock Studio
Yeah,
um,
maybe.
because I have a feeling. Okay. Oh, now it's in SageMaker. So
SageMaker.
no, I don't see it right away. Oh, Playground. That would be better. Here, you can select a model.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, apply.
Interesting.
So this is like just a UI on the API.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's not giving the exact. Okay, so if I'll do this, and then oh no, here now, if I go here and I do maybe export as JSON, I want to see the API request, right? Then that would tell
Mm-hmm.
me the model name. There must be an easier way, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here it is.
Okay, wait, can you send it?
Yeah. So do you just so here they call it model ID. Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah, I want that.
Okay.
Wait, just send me the whole API request. Let's copy it.
Are you sure it's on it?
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, it's on it. The one we're using, right?
Is that from the source code?
Yeah.
Okay. Because Ani was saying that it's he was saying haiku. I'm not totally sure. How's it going, Ani? What you up to?
Hmm.
So yeah, it's interesting. They call it model ID in the other APIs. It's just called model. So the annoying thing about using Azure was that you had to use a completely different SDK. Um, are you trying it?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't you need some kind of I could copy all of this and send it to you too.
Okay, this worked.
It worked?
Like the test worked. Like it's getting the result.
Okay.
I
Can
I
you,
can I can show. Yeah, wait.
I guess are you in Colab?
I'm not in Colab. I'm running
Okay.
it locally.
Okay, cool. Yeah, please. That would be sweet.
Yeah, yeah. Do you guys see it?
Yeah. You're not showing any secrets, right?
Uh, wait. I don't think so. I have set up the ENV. Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Okay, no secrets yet.
Yeah. So
Here, let
yeah.
me share it. Let me share it. Make the font bigger.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Here.
Okay.
This is too big. Okay.
Yeah, can you put that in light mode?
Uh, too bad. Wait, it's fine. Get used to it. So yeah, we set up the model ID here, and this was the prompt that we're actually using.
Okay.
And we're using AWS SDK for
Okay, so
client
that's
and
really important. We're not using OpenAI or
yes,
Anthropic SDKs here.
yes, exactly. And yeah, so let's try something different this time. Say hello in wait, French and npm. Wait,
Run test.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait, npm run test. This should give us the response. See, salute, bonjour, hello. This
Cuckoo.
works.
Hey, well done.
And
So
yeah, and
let's
this
just
was
mhm.
the code, like the one that you sent that we're currently using.
Okay. Oh,
And
okay. Yeah, I
yeah,
believe that Akhilesh wrote this.
yeah, Akhilesh wrote this. And we'll just be, yeah, we don't need to, because we're importing the model ID, we'll just have to change it from the tier.ts. So we'll be changing two files. But I don't have the whole sandbox running on locally, so you'll have to try it. I'll send you the code. Does that work?
Yeah, no, that's good. We got some comments coming in from the
Hmm.
stream. You see?
Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, light mode. Nah, it's bro. It's just a Nero than you. That's it.
It's a move and it's a revolution. Okay, can you put your screen back?
Yeah, sure. But we'll be testing it on. Okay, I don't have Give it set up locally. Sandbox set up locally.
Okay.
I'll send it. I'll send the file to you. You could try it.
So, here's what we're gonna do. Let's
Hmm.
just walk through it really quick. The not this one, but the test bedrock.ts.
Sure.
Let's just go through it real quick. Make the font a couple size bigger. So we're importing the Bedrock runtime client,
Yep.
and invoke model.
Model command.
Okay,
Yep.
and then on line 10.
Uh,
Okay.
we're setting up the
Mm,
Bedrock client by creating. But we're just initializing it at the
okay.
moment, and we have the credentials set up.
Okay.
I'm just importing
Yeah.
that from the env.
So
And
we're not using an
yeah.
API key. We're using AWS access keys. Okay.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
And then we have the input setup
Mhm.
where we have model ID, content type, and just the format, and then we have the prompt here.
Okay. And this format looks similar but different to the OpenAI because we're using JSON stringify. So this is a little bit more low level.
Hmm.
Um, cool. So
And we're
uh,
just sending the request here. That's it.
that's awesome. So it all makes sense now because I do remember seeing in Anthropic's demo that you could use AWS
Hmm.
Bedrock, but I was like, Bedrock, I've never done that, and it's AWS, so it would be hard to use. But um, no, it was fine, right? You
Yep,
said
it was easy.
so. Actually, your next task is going to be to get Git running locally,
Yep.
and then you're going to you're just going to update that file.
Yeah,
Uh,
I just have to use this in the root.ts, and we also have tiers.ts in which we mention what model we're gonna use.
mhm.
So two file changes, and then it should probably work. Hopefully work.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, because we're just changing how we're sending the input. That's it. The whole code remains the same.
right. So you'll get it running locally.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe one day we can actually run Gitwit on Gitwit.
Maybe you
Possible.
can run give it. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Once we have proper stuff like secrets,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it'll be fine. So
Yeah.
we can do yeah. See, just once you get it locally, you can make a PR for this as soon as it's working. It's I'm sure you can do it. Um, I'm sure you'll get it done this week.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll get it done by tomorrow.
Cool.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Well, that's all for now.
Mm-hmm.
And thanks for watching. And maybe I'll see myself here in the future sometime next time I need to use AWS.
Yeah.